Hi everyone, John here from Tresorfx with an update on the performance of our exclusive trading account. You can see we started with $210,000 US on 27th of July, and we are currently on our second week of trading with the Elan Posh Strategy. The master account is on its way to reaching 300% gain in less than 2 weeks, which is the normal ROI we get when we are doing the exclusive trading months. We hope you are also making good profits with your own trading. And remember, our doors are open if you would like us to manage your portfolio so that you can automatically copy our trades and have the same gains, percentage-wise. Tresorfx is a 5-star investment management service. Just text us on our WhatsApp chat, which is located on the Tresorfx website. It's www.tresorfx.com. Recognize opportunities. Realize profit.